Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500. It's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp look up front. You do have chrome wheels as well. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side, then inside you have cloth interior. Center console will fold up, making it an additional third seat. That makes this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side. You do have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Chevy bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.